Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. The first one, bulldozer, extrude bulldozer, mini excavator, police car, forklift. How about this one? Mini airplane, extrude airplane, a nice airplane. Cement mixer truck, racing car number 9, tank truck, supercar green color. Okay everyone, let's move to another truck. Now check a biggest truck here. How about this one? Truck, extrude super motorbike. This one is also a racing super motorbike. You can see number 46, racing super motorbike, pink color. Supercar, a metal car, green color. Yellow car. How about this one? Racing supercar, yellow color. Shoot bulldozer. Mike shoot bus. Mike shoot school bus. Shoot car, mini car. Mike shoot off-road car, red color, my favorite color. Racing super motorbike number 6. About this one, crane. How about this one? Bulldozer. Mini airplane, green color. Now check the last one. How about this one? Express. How about this one? I don't know. If you know, please write down. Okay everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.